Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Mint Mobile full guide. Start by choosing a plan and checking phone compatibility, then order a SIM or eSIM from Mint Mobile. When your SIM arrives, power off your phone, insert the SIM, or follow eSIM instructions in the app. Next, activate the line using the activation code and confirm your phone shows Mint signal bars before testing a call. In this video, I will show how to use Mint Mobile full guide. Open the Mint app or activation webpage, sign in, and enter the 6 to 12-digit activation code that came with your SIM. If you want to keep your current number, select porting and provide account details from your old carrier. Complete payment and plan selection, then restart your phone and verify calling and mobile data are active before proceeding. In this video, I will show how to use Mint Mobile full guide. Open the Mint app to view your plan balance, remaining data, and renewal date, and enable auto-renew if you want uninterrupted service. You can upgrade or downgrade your plan through the app and purchase data add-ons when you need extra gigabytes. Keep your payment details current and check for promotional deals before renewing to save on your next term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.